Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we take one batter every week and make a delicious, scrumptious muffin because we love muffins. Hi, guys. Welcome to Muffins Galore. So, guys, today I am making a different kind of muffin. I know the whole premise of our platform is to take one batter and make a variety of muffin. Every week we use the same batter to make a muffin. But today I'm deviating a little bit from that. I am bringing to you a different kind of muffin. And that muffin is a banana bread pudding muffin. Why? I made bread last week and I ended up with too much bread. And so I had to do something with the bread. I couldn't throw it away. That's a no-no. And so I decided I'm going to make some muffins and I'm going to show you how I make these banana bread pudding muffins. They're really cool and they're really great. They are delicious, actually. I shouldn't say they're great. So let's get started with this delicious, scrumptious muffin. Welcome to Muffins Galore. Alrighty, so let's get this muffin party started. So here, guys, I've got one banana that I smash it up, and I'm gonna add some sugar, brown sugar, that is, and I'm just gonna stir it. I'm putting the wet ingredients together basically. And I'm just gonna give this a good mix. So that's our banana and that's our sugar. Now I'm gonna add our melted butter. There's that. So guys, I'm gonna add an egg to this. Oops. Okay. Okay, guys, so I've got our milk. And I've got a little special something today. I've got here Devon custard. We're going British today. That's what we're doing. We're going British. This is Devon custard, and I'm going to use it and pour some over the bread pudding once it's in the muffin pan. And it's just going to bake so amazing. Okay, so this is our liquid. That's the wet ingredient. So now, here we are with the bread. So I baked this bread last week, and it's just the leftover that was in the fridge, and I just diced it up, and I added a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in it, and that's about it. So here I have some dry fruits that I'm going to add to it, just because when I'm eating it, I like, some kind of variety in it. Crunch. You could put raisins. You could put cranberry. It's up to you. You could put walnut, pecans, whatever your heart desires. It's your bread pudding. Make it your own. And so here I have got some orange rind that I'm going to add to this. Just a little bit of orange rind for flavor. And I am going to add the wet to the dry. There you go. All right. And we're going to give this a little stir. Ooh, nice. So, if you notice, I did not put all the milk in here because I wanted this to stir and get into the bread before I add the rest of the milk. Now, I'm going to add vanilla. Good old dandy vanilla. And I am going to add a little bit of almond. And one thing I forgot to bring, and that is some cinnamon and nutmeg. Some cinnamon, nutmeg, and we're just going to add a little shake to it. And we are okay. So we stir that up. Stir that up. And now for the rest of the milk, we're going to add to this. Then we are going to put this to sit actually for about 10 minutes. So this can absorb all this deliciousness. And once it absorbs the deliciousness, I'm going to come back and put it in the muffin tin and we are going to bake them off. All right, guys? Okay, guys. So I am back and I am going to be putting the banana bread pudding in the cups. All right, guys. So I did say, let it stay for 10 minutes. No, you got to let it stay for about an hour to absorb the moisture and all the liquid. So here we go. And this you could pile it high because you want it looking nice. Yep. Okay, here we are. Okay, so I think maybe you guys can hear the television. They're watching television, watching some sort of movie going on. And I think it's really high. So you're basically hearing what's going on the television. Alright, and we're coming down to the last of it. And we're just filling up these cups so they're nice and full. Okay, so guys, what we're going to do is we have the Devon custard, and I'm just going to take a spoon and put it right on top of our muffins here. Just place it right on top. And it's going to bake into, oh, it's going to be so great. It's going to bake right into the muffins. It's going to be so good. Oh. As I said, we are going British today. This is British. Devon custard is all British. This is what they use on scones and bread pudding and all these things. Plum pudding. This is what they use. Devon custard. It's really nice. All right, there we go, guys. Here we are, looking so delectable. Ooh, I hope you try this because it's really, really nice. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put it in the oven and I'm going to let it bake for about 25 minutes or so. And I'll come back when it's all done and plated. All right, guys. Okay, here is the finished product. And boy, guys, I already tried one of these and it is so delicious. Oh my God. The flavors are beyond, beyond. If you don't try anything else, I'd love you to try these banana bread. Well, it's banana bread pudding muffin. So good with the Devon cream on top. It is unbelievable. So this is it, guys. This is best after maybe an hour out of the oven when it's set. Oh, it is awesome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.